You are watching Andis Collins in China daily video. Sunday, May 26, 2024. I'm at the Bank of China. Now I'm at the Hushang Outlet Mall. Now I'm in the car driving around looking for my son, waiting for my son to finish whatever he's doing. Getting a facial apparently. Right. Now I'm walking through a car park on the way to get to Wanda Plaza. Now I'm standing on the balcony near our apartment. Apparently a storm's coming in, so it looks like we were planning going to Jianing, but I think maybe we'll wait out the storm. And I could maybe take some cool video from here. Well, here I am on the 28th floor. This is It's really windy up here. I think we're just going to wait this storm out. Now it's raining a little. Actually, the storm never happened, so we are driving to Jianing. It must have happened out here, but it didn't happen around the apartment. What was the final score? What was the score? 2-1. Man, who'd they beat? Man City. Okay, Man City. Oh.